Hello students, let us continue exercise 15.1 probability question number 5. If P equal to 0.05, what is the probability of not E? If P equal to 0.05, we know that very well. Pe plus P not E equal to 1. Value of P is 0.05 plus P naught E equal to 1. P naught E equal to 1 minus 0.05. P E naught equal to 0.95. This is your required answer. Now next sixth question. A bag contains lemon flavored candies only. Malini takes out one candy without looking into the bag. What is the probability that she takes out an orange flavored candy? A bag contains lemon flavored candy only. Total number of all possible outcomes equal to 8. Let E be the event getting an orange flavor candy. Number of favorable outcomes to E is 0. Because bag contain lemon flavored candy only. But we find the probability of orange flavor candy. So, number of favorable outcomes to orange flavor candy is 0. Hence, P equal to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of all possible outcomes, that is 0 upon 1. We get 0. Now second point, let F be the event getting a lemon flavored candy. So number of favorable outcomes to F is 1 because bag contain only one lemon flavored candy. So number of favorable outcomes to lemon flavor candy is 1. So PF equal to 1 upon 1. We get 1. We get 1. Number of favorable outcomes to F is 1. So PF equal to 1 upon 1 is 1. This is your answer. Next, seventh question. It is given that in a group of 3 students, the probability of 2 students not having the same birthday is 0.992. What is the probability that the 2 students have the same birthday? Let E be the event that the student not having same birthday, that is PE equal to 0.992, and F be the event that the student have the same birthday. Let E be the event getting two students not having the same birthday, and F be the event getting two students have the same birthday. So P equal to 0.992. Now PE plus PF equal to 1. Value of PE is 0.992 plus PF equal to 1. PF equal to 1 minus 0.992. PF equal to 0.008. This is your required probability that two students have the same birthday. Now, eighth question. A bag contains three red balls. A bag contains 3 red balls, 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability that the ball is drawn red and not red? Now, number of red marbles equal to 3. Number of black marbles equal to 5. Total balls equal to 3 plus 5, 8. Total number of all possible outcomes equal to 8. Let E be the event getting a red ball. Let E be the event getting a red ball. Therefore, number of favorable outcomes to E is 3. E is 3. P equal to 3 upon 8. This is your required answer. Let F be the event drawing not red ball. Drawing not red ball means 5 plus 8. Black ball plus, only black ball. Let F be the event drawing not red ball means 5. Number of favorable outcomes to F is 5. PF equal to 5 upon 8. 5 upon 8. This is your required probability of a not red ball. Now question number 9. A box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles, 4 green marbles. 1 marble is taken out of the box at random. What is the probability that the marble taken out will be red, white, not green? Now, number of red marbles equal to 5. Number of white marbles equal to 8. Number of green marbles equal to 4. Total number of all possible outcomes is 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 4, 17. Let E be the event taking a red marble. Number of all favorable outcomes to E is 5. P equal to 5 upon 17. P equal to 5 upon 17. This is your required probability. Now, next, let F be the event taking a white marbles. Therefore, number of favorable outcomes to F is 8. Number of white marble, 8. So, number of favorable outcomes to F is 8. 8 upon 17. Total marble, 17. 8 upon 17. Number of red marble, 5. 5 upon total marble, 17. 5 upon 17. Probability of red marble, 5 upon 17. And probability of white marble, 8 upon total. 8 upon 17. Now, next, what is the probability of a not green? What is the probability that the marble taken out will be not green? Let G be the event taking not green marble. Therefore, number of favorable outcomes to G is 13. G is 13. Not green mean not green. Not green mean 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8. 5 red plus 8 white. 5 plus 8, 13. Not green mean 5 red plus 8 white. 5 plus 8, 13. Therefore, number of favorable outcomes to G is 13. Hence, PG equal to 13 upon total 17. This is your required probability. Now, do exercise 15.1 in your fair notebook. Thank you.